Hi, my name is Charles. Thanks for watching the channel. I'm the founder of Chefosity.com and also this YouTube channel. I've recently started the YouTube channel so I can start putting my own videos, my own recipes out there as I actually make them. I don't always follow other people's recipes. I have a tendency to tweak things, so I figured I'll go ahead and start putting out my own recipes so you can see how I actually cook them and how I actually make things. So what I'm doing is my goal right now is to get 100 subscribers on this YouTube channel. Once I get 100 subscribers, I'm going to give you a chance to win an Amazon gift card for $100. So take some time to subscribe to the channel, click the button here, there, check out my other videos that should be popping up top. Subscribe, hit the button, and get notifications to win the $100 Amazon gift card. Thanks for joining.